Okay, so in previous videos we have seen the OS command injection, but in those scenarios we got the output of the command in the response. So in this we will not get any output in the response. So how to we gonna detect this blind OS command injection is by inducing the time delays. So you can send this ping command. So ping 10 packets to the local host. 127.0.0.1 is local host, and this makes the system to ping itself for 10 packets. So the maximum time takes for one packet is like 1 second, so it will take minimum like 10 seconds delay. So you can see the delay between the request and the response. So that's how you can identify the using the time delays. Or you can also redirect the output. So you can redirect to the var www html a file name. So you can create the file name and you can go to the website / file name to see the output of the file you have created. So let's do this lab. So we need to cause the 10-second delay. So click on access the lab. So okay, let's copy this and open in Firefox. So let's click on any post and so click on submit feedback. So okay, they are telling that it is using some kind of mail command. So you can see mail -s. This is the subject from mail address, and this is I think to the mail address. So what we are going to do is we need to capture this whole request. Subject, let's say test, and T. So we have filled all the feedback, and let's go and capture this one. So this is, you can send this to repeater so we can examine clearly. So there is CSRF token and the name, email and subject and message. So what you want to do is you need to say, so examine the mail command. So it is the two mail address. This is the last one. So in case we don't know where to inject, so you can inject it email address or subject or message. So let's try at the name. So what you can do is we can put R and ping -c 10 packets 127.0.0.1 and put the R. So we don't know where our the content goes, like this name A may go into this subject and the other part should be executed as well. So that's why we need to put R at the both ends. So what you can do is you can copy this payload and send this one. So we got the response immediately. So now let's test another field, that is email field, and it says could not save. And let's test for subject field and it says okay, and also we got the response immediately. Let's test for message and we got okay. So the email field is like the end of the, you can see the to address is this email. So let's go and test like this. Remove this one and put ampersand and press Ctrl U to URL and encode this. So now let's send this and it still says could not save. So let's remove one. So we need to try all the payloads and it still says could not save. And let's copy this payload Let's put a test, send this. Let's test it at message, and let's test this at name. So we are getting responses immediately. We need to put the space, ping c 10 packets localhost. Could not save. So let's see. So they have given to try like this, and maybe we need to put the space here. So it still says could not save. Let's try this at name. I think at the email you should be good to go. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm putting this, so there are 3 zeros. Sorry, my bad. I put the three zeros instead of 2 zeros. Okay. Let's try for 127.11. I don't think that's 10-second delay. Okay, let's put another payloads, that is R payload. So maybe we need to change this one. Maybe this can be only like an example. So let's send this. Okay, I think we can see the response delay in the response. So you can see, okay, we need to change the payload. Sorry for that. So you need to test for all the parameters here, and by changing these payloads. Okay, this is about the inducing the time delays. So you can also reduce the time delay to, let's say, 5 seconds. And you can see after 5 seconds we got the response. So this is about the time delays, and let's also do redirecting output. So here in this we need to redirect the, okay, you need to create some text file in this where www images. So let's access the lab. So good, let's click on any post, and we have the submit feedback. So let's also intercept this request and now click on submit feedback. Now send this to repeater. So like in the same previous one, what we can do is we can put end, and what we need to do is we need to let's say we need to create a file or something. Let's see the so okay, what we can do is we can say who am I greater than, so we need to pipe this to, we need to send output to where www images slash test.txt. so you can also first get the environment variables. Okay, we don't get environment variables in this blind injection. So what you can do is you can echo $path, and you can obviously get the starting one, that is /. I hope that should get / for any Linux system. So if the / is black registered character, then you can use the path variable. So I think we are good to go. And who am I, send this output to where www images test.txt. so send this, and it just could not save, and change this payload to R. So okay, now you can see okay response. Now what you need to do is click on home. So you can see it is automatically trying to get all the images. So what you can do is intercept the request and click on view details. So after requesting the web page, it will try to fetch the image. So instead of image file name, so what you can do is you can say test.txt. so because that is in the where www images. So let's forward this. So I think we should get the who am I output, but I don't know why we are not getting. So you can see we got the congratulations of the lab, but we did not get any output. So what you can do is uname So let's try this uname -a, sending the output to test.txt. let's send this and intercept the request and forward this one. So here we need to change this to test.txt. so let's forward this, forward intercept off. Okay, we are not getting any kind of output because maybe the lab was designed like this. So it just says congratulations, you have solved the lab, but in the real case scenarios you can you get the output here. So you can also go to the website /test.txt. so you can redirect this to where www.html. so let's also try that one. So you can see it says it could not save because maybe there is no where www.html. so we can try on the websites. We can get the pretty much output to this test.txt. So that's all for this about the blind OS command injection using time delays and redirecting output.